Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, Capricorn, what is the energy ng inyong love life? Interesado ba kayo sa love life nyo, Caps? O masyadong busy? Siyempre, may interest pa rin naman. Oh my God! Oh, Capricorn, meron ditong betrayal. Merong hindi totoo, nagiging totoo sa relationship. Pwedeng sa isip, sa salita, sa gawa. Ano yung panatong mga bayan? Okay, ultimatum. So some of you, maaaring binibigyan nyo ng ultimatum yung person that you're dealing with. Lalo na kung nahuhuli nyo na may mga, something on sideline. Yung bang tipong may kinakausap online o kaya may energy ng person from the past. Alam mo yun, na kailangan nila mag-communicate. Kumbaga parang binibigyan mo na ng, yun nga, ultimatum na, kapag lumagpas ka na doon sa limit, wala na. Ayawan na. Time's relentless advice. So, yeah, ito yung parang hindi mo siya marireverse, no? Hindi mo, kung ano yung damage, hindi na siya marireverse. Okay? Kaya binibigyan mo ng ultimatum na parang, okay, binibigyan kita ng chance na ayusin mo yan, but the moment na ma-realize at mapatunayan mo na wala siyang ginagawang effort ayusin yung relationship nyo at talagang puro kalokohan na lang sa buhay, talagang bigla mo tong iiwanan. Like, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ganong klase. Okay? Of course, general reading hindi naman mag-resonate para sa lahat. Let's see, pa. You have the Hierophant. So, there's definitely a heavy commitment sa relationship na to. Yung ba sa inyo kayo kasal, may anak, also have the Chariot. So, you want this relationship to be successful, na mag-work out yung connection ninyo. But there is also an energy here na medyo parang cold, na parang you feel na may disconnect with the person that you're dealing with. Even if there are times na yes, you're happy, you are, enjoying life. Sometimes lumalabas kayo with your person, lalo na kung may family na kayo. Things are okay, things are well. Kaya lang, pwedeng merong mga bagay na hindi pa sa ngayon maayos. Like, in a perfect way or in a way na gusto mong maayos. With the Temperance card, this is about patience and also giving chances. Parang gusto mong bigyan ng chance ang person that you're dealing with na ayusin niya yung buhay niya, ayusin yung relationship ninyo. Although andun yung feeling of disappointment, discontentment na you don't deserve this kind of treatment, and there are times na kayo yung nag-aaway, may mga misunderstanding, masasamang salita na nasasabi. But you still choose na mag-heal from that, na to work things out. Okay? Especially that marami na kayong plano ng person mo. And ayaw mo naman na bigla na lang yung masira dahil lang sa mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. So, what I'm seeing here, actually most of the readings right now, hindi siya kahit na nandun sa point of struggle, challenges sa relationship, there's this energy of wanting to resolve the issue. Wanting na maayos. Hindi yung parang iiwanan na lang dahil sa naging pagkakamali. It's about understanding the root cause. Saan nang galing yun? Ba't nararamdaman yun? Ba't ginawa yun? Okay? Um, it's not just about judging the situation as it is, but also yung deeper meaning nun. Bakit yun nangyayari? Let's say, may panloloko na nangyayari. Ano yung reason? 'Di ba? Maaring yun yung hahanapin mo, yun yung pag-aaralan mo, analyze mo, bakit, anong kulang, anong problema. Not just, judging the person na may panloloko. Of course, merong mga exceptions yan, no? Kung talagang lantaran at wala ng respeto, then it is your call if you would want to stay in that relationship. But I think kasi, itong connection that you're dealing with is more on preservation. Parang gusto mong i-preserve yung relationship that you have right now with your person. And alam mo rin sa sarili mo na you cannot really change your person kasi alam mo na kailangan manggaling yun sa kanya. So, for you, you still have this threshold na nandun ka pa rin sa limit mo na, okay, kaya mo pang tiisin, kaya mo pang gawa ng paraan, kaya mo pang i-tolerate, and then you will stay. But, eto kasi yan eh, pag dumating ka na dun sa point na hindi mo na kaya, hanggang dun na lang, yung naabot mo na yung threshold, yung maximum na tolerance mo, I see you leaving this situation without ever looking back. Okay? So for some of you, nakikita ko sa ngayon, you are working on it. Okay? Nagtatry ka magstay. Listen with your heart. You are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. Some of you, pwedeng meron mga nagbibigay na ng advice sa inyo, whether stay in this relationship or not. Pwede kasing may mga reasons ka rin why you are staying even if may mga problema na. Number one, for security, stability, or even, lalo na kung may mga anak kayo, you are, parang kumbaga, you're not just deciding para sa sarili mo, but also para sa mga ibang mahal mo sa buhay. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. So, yeah, kung ano yung mas importante sa'yo, kung mahal mo yung mga anak mo, kung may mga anak kayo, kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, if to the point na hindi mo na kayang i-tolerate yung problema sa relationship, and then you will walk away. You will choose to love or feel the love that is real love na gusto mo sa relationship. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. So, acceptance. May mga times na kailangan mo i-accept the reason why this is happening in your relationship. And accepting also na merong mga bagay na hindi ka na mababago. So, it is a decision for you to do, but I think the moment na maabot mo na yung threshold mo, dun ka na magde-decide whether you will leave this situation. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.